draw. Okay, so once you have your offer page, you need a confirmation page. How is this hooked together? Via your autoresponder. I personally use Aweber. Some people prefer GetResponse, and that's basically the two leaders that I know of that have the best deliverability rates, stuff like that. When you go in and you create this little opt-in form, there's going to be a little option that says thank you page, and you can customize your thank you page. This is that thank you page. So wherever you upload this to on your domain name, say it's yourname.com/confirm.htm, that would be your URL that you would put in that little spot on your web form. Then you go and copy your web form into this page right here, and as soon as they opt in, then they're automatically sent to this page. That's how the automation process works there. Now, on the confirmation page, there will also be a note there that says, hey, we just sent you an email. Please go confirm your email address, or we're not going to send you your downloads. Now, there's also a place in your autoresponder that says confirmation success page. And GetResponse, I'm not real sure what it says. But in Aweber, it's where you're doing your list settings. You go in there, and when you're setting up your list, it'll say confirmation page, or success page URL. The URL to your one-time offer goes there. So far, there's no order buttons or anything like that. We're doing this all with our autoresponder system. It automates all this process for us. Takes them from the offer page to the confirmation page. When they go and they check their email, when they click on the confirmation link, they're automatically going to be taken to your one-time offer page. From here, and if you look down here at the bottom in really little type, it says, because of how this is squeezed down, no thanks, just take me to the download page. So on your OTO page, there's a little link here that says, no thanks, just take me to the download page. This is the download page for these products. See how this is all hooking together, guys? This is the download page for the free products you presented to them for getting on your list, basically. If they click the order button and order, the way I do that is I use pay.com. And when you go in and you create a product in pay.com, it's going to ask you, what is your download page for that product? So this should be OTO download. And then when you go in there and it'll say, okay, what's your thank you page for this? So maybe mine's domainname.com/OTO/3746 OTO.htm. A secret page that I don't want anybody to guess. So I give it this really obscure name. And in pay.com, you can put this URL into their system. And then when you click create product, it's going to spit out an order button for you. Copy and paste that order button on there, and now it's totally automated. Everybody who purchases here is automatically going to be taken here and getting their download page. So you set this entire system up, and it looks like we've got number 3, 4 pages, and 5 pages. You set up these 5 pages. You allow your autoresponder system and your payment processor to do the automation for you, and all you do is go back and drive traffic to the initial giveaway. And then you just walk away. Totally automated. Of course, the driving traffic's not automated. Traffic generation is not automated unless you're outsourcing it. That's the only automation you'll get with driving traffic. You're either sitting at your computer driving traffic, or you're shelling out money to get people to drive traffic for you. So this is the giveaway system. If you guys use what I've showed you to do here, use Jeff's quick tactics for product creation, you can do this very, very, very easily. Any questions on the giveaway marketing system? We got a microphone. Any questions? Make that pretty clear to everybody? Can you get the microphone to Dean?
Just the bottom 2 pages.
Okay.
One saying yes to the OTO and the one saying no. Mm-hmm. So the one, a download OTO on the left is the one that's saying yes.
Yep. This is where they're going to be directed if they hit your order button. And you can also put these downloads down here too. So OTO for the download page for the OTO and getting your free products. And if they say no, then they just get your free products.
Additional comment is my first subscriber came from a giveaway site promotion also. It was one of those 10 Days of Christmas, Hendricks, I think.
Yeah, Mark Hendricks.
Promotion. We did that, and so right, I don't know, December 1st, let's just say, and then I launched my first product February. But I had 1,500 people that was in that giveaway list right away. And even if you're in niche sites, you can put your product in here, in those giveaway sites. All you do is you give people master resale rights to that product. So as weird as that sounds, what you'd have to do is, because most internet marketers are in these giveaway sites. So you want to get your niche product, say if it's on Nintendo Wii, you've created some Nintendo Wii giveaway report. In that, you have links going back to your Nintendo sites. You want to give master resale rights to that free report. You want to stick it in these giveaway sites because these niche people then will take that. I should say these internet marketers will take your Nintendo Wii master resale right giveaway thing and throw it all over the internet. What you would have to do, though, is if you want to do an OTO, you'd have to connect a bunch of, because, again, internet marketers are downloading it. So even though they're downloading the Nintendo Wii product, you're going to hit them up with internet marketing master resale right products for the OTO.
And I can't believe you just said that because you don't remember me telling you the Nintendo Wii story, do you?
Yeah.
Oh,
that's
okay.
where I came up with it.
Okay. I didn't even think to tell about that. I'm in the Wii niche. I love my Wii. I have all kinds of Wii games. So we were thinking about it and ways to make money off of it. So we created a couple of different. It's a little membership site. It's like a couple of bucks a month, and it constantly makes us. Right now, I think it's only at like $300 a month because it's what almost it'll be 2 years old. Oh, it's already 2 years old. Yeah, because I created it in September and then I told everybody about it that following February. So yeah, it's already a 2-year-old site, but it's still making me a couple $100 a month. But what I did is I started creating master resale rights products about Wiis because I had a lot of PLR content for the Nintendo Wiis. And so I took master resale rights products, started giving them away. I got to draw it out. So, master resale rights products, and that's an ebook for those of you that didn't know. I'll put an E on it. A horrible artist. So I created these master resale rights products, and all I did inside them was put a link to my membership site. I gave giveaway rights, resale rights, anything they wanted to do. And then eventually we started, like Jeff, giving PLR rights to it. So all of these, this is another throw enough crap against the wall strategy, see what sticks, and this is exactly what I did. I had this product going out en masse, and my thought process behind this was, okay, the Nintendo Wii, I'm an internet marketer, I love my Wii. Lots of internet marketers are giving away Wiis for prizes. A video game system's pretty general. It's something you can pretty much put out there. You can advertise it like banner advertising and like Facebook and stuff like that. I said, well, let me see what I can do with this. So I just stuck the link in there. Everybody started passing this thing around, and I start seeing sales coming for the membership site. And I'm like, oh, it worked. That hardly ever happens. Hardly. We're just throwing something out there to the masses and seeing if that advertising will work. A lot of people say, well, everybody wants to know how to make money online. No, they don't. And that's where a lot of misconceptions come from. And, my mentality is everybody likes to play the Wii. They don't. But if you get enough crap on the wall, a lot of it's going to stick. And this is one of those examples of getting enough of it to stick. And last February, the site was making us, I think it was like $800 or $1,000 a month just by everybody having this Nintendo Wii product all over the internet for us. It's an advertising vehicle.
Did you spend any money on advertising other than that?
No.
That was it?
Yeah, that was it. That's all I ever did.
Didn't buy any ads?
I don't think so.
So yeah, these giveaway products, it can be pretty powerful to get your product out there.
They're viral.
I have a question. I keep coming back to my question about master resale rights.
We're going to get to it.
Okay,
It's coming.
I don't understand, like you're emphasizing, I understand the value and the benefit of it, but I'm still not
You don't understand the rights. Yep, I'll get to it. It's coming.
Rights onto the product.
It's coming, I promise.
PLR.
Yep.
I thought always that resale is an upsale of PLR. And I don't understand it. That why is PLR an upsale?
I'm going to go totally over everything about the rights of stuff. I'll totally be going over it in a presentation I'm going to be doing. Going over everything, I promise.
That presentation will be next week. That's the upsell.
Barbados. I don't have anything to sell you, unfortunately.
Liz, could you go back to the other page where the chart is? I'm a little slow on making sure I get the domains right.
That's totally fine. A lot of people screw up
Examples
here.
of those domains for each of those pages. Like the first one is going to be...
Okay, let's say I'm doing this at liztomey.com. So I have liztomey.com/free gift. And that's the URL to this page, okay? Now the URL to this page is liztomey.com/free gift/confirm, I'm just going to do conf.htm. Then for this one, it would be liztomey.com/free gift/oto.htm. For this one, it would be liztomey.com, we'll do free gift /DL3648.htm. For this one, again, Liz Tomey, I'm just going to use quotes this time, /free gift /OTO DL7932.htm. Is that making sense now?
That's awesome. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, when you start putting names to these things, that's when it really starts connecting. And you got to know you got to get all this uploaded first, and then you get your URLs to them. Because wherever you upload your file to, that's the URL to it. So if I upload a file to liztomey.com in a folder called free gifts, and the file is called index.htm, it's going to be liztomey.com/free gifts /index.htm. I almost lost that. Can you get her a microphone, please?
This is really dumb, but can you re-explain how you actually... I understand the URL. I just don't know how you got the URL in the first place.
You have to use... Okay, you have your files on your computer, and you have an FTP program, which is called a file transfer protocol, and it takes the files from your computer and puts them on your server. And a host and a server are the same thing.
Let me explain that further, more techie.
I don't even think Jeff owns an FTP program. Yeah, isn't it so bad that your guys actually only give you a username and password to like one site and you're only allowed to FTP to that one site?
Oh, yeah, they don't allow me even access to my servers. They don't want me screwing it up.
All right, anything you want to add to this?
I think he doesn't have it. I think so.
On your website, number 3, what was that? Liz Tomey /
liztomey.com /free gift /OTO.htm. These are like fictitious URLs, guys.
Right, yeah, I
Okay,
understand,
okay,
yeah.
just want to make sure everybody...